Okay, take note. In my introduction, I did mention if there's a power 10, I have a total of 11 terms. If there's a power 8, I have a total of 9 terms. But I don't need to expand fully. Why? Because the question specifies I only want the first 4 terms. So if I only want 4 terms, I will draw 4 sets of brackets. I will draw 4 sets of 3 brackets each to represent the 4 terms. But my first bracket is usually longer because that is my choosing bracket. Alright, that is the bracket for me to choose. The other 2 brackets, I just put it in only. So now I'm ready to start. Oh, teacher, let me put in the obvious one first. The first term is 1, so I just fill in number 1. The second term is x, so I fill in x. Okay, this is power 10. So based on power 10, I must start with choosing 0. Based on power 10, the next one I choose 1. After that, I choose 2. After that, I choose 3. So because of this word called ascending power, this means I must start the power for x from the smallest, which is 0. So what I'm going to do? Oh, I'm going to start from 0. After that, increases to 1, 2, and 3. At the same time, if one of my bracket terms start from 0, the other bracket must start from the highest power. What is the highest power here? What is the highest power? 10. So if I start from 10, the next power must be number 9. Then it becomes 8 and 7. So take note, another observation. Oh, teacher, it seems that the power for the bracket, for each of the bracket term, will always sum up to 10. Okay, which is the highest power over here. So my next job is very simple. I just have to press the calculator. Alright, so let me press the calculator. 10, choose 0. That's my first one. I get 1. So let me write down number 1. 1 to the power of 10 is just 1. X to the power of 0 is just 0. Likewise, teacher, what is 10 choose 1? Okay, press the calculator again. 10 choose 1. I get 10. So let me write down again. 10 times 1 times x. This in my question, I put dot 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 behind. Must be 3 dots, not more. This is to indicate in this expansion there are other terms. But like what is specified in the question, I only want the first 4 terms only. So after that, I just simplify. Then we will be able to achieve the first 4 terms for part A. So again, in this question, alright, they want only the first 4 terms in ascending power. Alright, so I only want the first 4 terms. I write 4 different sets of brackets. And then I fill in the blank. But I need to be very careful. Alright, the highest power is 8. So let me fill in 8 first. They say ascending power of x. So for the term in x, I must start with what? Smallest, right? What's the smallest power we can assign to it? 0. So I start from 0, increases 1, 2, and 3. Then comes the next question. So if this one starts from 0, the other term must start from the biggest, which is 8, 7, 6, 5. Correct? Okay, what do I fill in inside here? 8 choose what? 0. We start from the smallest also, easier. But you want to start from the biggest, you may. Alright? So remember, if you want 8 choose 3, you need to press the calculator, 8 choose 3, and write down the respective value. After that, Please simplify everything.